start now. Tell hi, Ezra. Show her your toys, your new toys. What's his her name? Okay. How about your other toys? Can we make a tour? Where is the washroom? We can show it to mommy. Kuya is busy there. He's playing his games there. Okay. Show it. Where's your mommy's room? Can we check downstairs? Okay, let's go now. Okay. Okay, we're going to follow you. Okay, me and my camera. Okay, where are we going now? Okay. So what is that outside? That one in the window. Okay. Okay. Tell to them what is this for.
That's the backyard with that is vaping there.
Okay. And then where's your room there? Sleeping. Okay. Can we hear this side? How about the kitchen? So who cooked for you? Okay, tell to mommy what is this for? What we're doing here? Okay, can we open the lights? Oh, Biang, tell to her what is inside the washroom there.
So there's a bathroom.
Okay. So how you make a flush the toilet? Okay, can you show it to us? Okay.
There's two things, and you can press one.
Okay. Wow, very good. Are you flushing all the time, or Kuya is not flushing? Okay, can you turn off the light now? Okay. What else you can show it to us? Your new shoes and your jacket.
Yeah, sure. That was you.
Okay. What is this? Anything else?
And here's the
Okay.
and here's some of the cereals.
Okay. Which cereals do you eat? Hey, I show it to us the ice cream. You said you have ice cream.
Yeah,
Okay. Can you show it to us? Which ice cream is this?
Here's my favorite.
Okay, give it to Ezra. Show it to Ezra. You will send it to her. Okay. Okay. Message to Ezra. Tell to Ezra.
Look, there's ice cream here. When you come here, we can eat ice cream together.
Okay, that's very nice.
There's even two
Okay. Okay. What is this for, Biang? What is this for? Okay. Okay. What's that's doing there? Okay. Oh, that's good. Which model is your phone?
Can I show you my old phone?
Okay.
Here was my old phone, and this phone was now broken. So now I have this phone.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, you have two phones.
I don't like this one.
Okay.
I hope you enjoy our vlogs.